A surprising feature for your upcoming Watch Series 8, and I must say these are one of the most awaited features so far. And top of the list is body temperature sensor, but there are a few things you might not like when this feature will launch. The body temperature will primarily use for improving the detection pattern while tracking sleep, but according to Mark Gurman, Apple has plans to enable body temperature to check whether users have a fever or not, but it seems like it is not going to be available in the launch, and it is not what you might think. Because in sensing body temperature, there are other factors involved, mainly the hot weather. You might have heard about the satellite feature on iPhone 14 Pro Max, but some inside information indicating that Apple might give a satellite feature on its upcoming top-of-the-line Watch Series 8 Pro. You should be excited about the Watch Series 8 Pro since it is going to get a more tougher titanium build, which is potentially targeted for users who like hiking or biking. But let me tell you something, the price of this thing is way expensive than what you could think of. This is important for you if you want to get a Watch Series 8. The price will start from $399 base model with $100 if you need a cellular model. And if you are adding extra accessories like stainless steel or titanium, then it can go up to $699 and $799 mark. But the wildcard Watch Series 8 Pro model comes with the big number. The base model will start from whopping $899 and can go up to $999. Just to compare, you can get an iPhone 13 Pro at this price last year. If you're concerned about the battery life, then Apple is going to introduce a new low power mode where they allow more functions to work while battery life is preserved. There are a couple of health features Apple is going to introduce in upcoming Watch Series 8, monitoring a blood pressure, a thermometer, sleep tracking, and diabetes detection. But these features are rumored, but it is confirmed some of them will be available in the Watch Series 8. The design will possibly be the same. Some were saying we might get a flat display instead of edges, but this is not going to happen this year. If you are looking to get a Watch Series 8 and iPhone 14 Pro Max, you will love to know about the display and new camera features of iPhone 14 Pro Max. If so, you can check my this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.